Nagatoro.
Nagatoro
Psycho.
My new subscribers, 250th subscribers.
तुम मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए.
Yay! Amazing! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to a new vlog today. As you can see, I am standing in a beautiful natural setting. We are in Chichibu mountain range today, and today's day is extra special because I have a newfound friend who is a subscriber as well, who I am traveling with. This is Pankaj.
Hi guys.
Pankaj, welcome to the vlog. And yeah, today I'm traveling with Pankaj and in this amazing location. Pankaj, what's your opinion about the place?
How can I say you? I am very happy to came Nagatoro locations. Now I am in Nagami station waiting for next train.
Yeah,
And
trains here are at like 30-20 minutes apart. Really long wait. That's something that we have to take care of, but can't help. Yeah,
so I feel like just you know that guys you watching some movies Koi Mil Gaya. So Jadoo, Jadoo. This is the atmosphere. It's like atmosphere.
yeah, it's a really nice atmosphere. And guys, this guy is a fellow Indian. So today's vlog will be having English and Hindi, mix of both. So for you, all of you international viewers, I'll be linking down or I'll be giving the subtitles for you so that you can follow the vlog. Hopefully today's vlog is going to be extra special in this extra special mountain range. Really good location. Keep watching. So guys, I've reached Nagatoro and it's a really amazing setting over here. There's a market just in front of the station. Really feeling good. And this place, as I said, is unexplored for me. This is the first time I'm coming over here. And whenever you come to a place for the first time, what do? Go to the tourist center to check out the information. So let's go to the tourist center because there's one just here in front of the station. We did receive the information from tourist center. There are a couple of interesting locations in here. The first location is the Iwatadami Rock, which has got a beautiful nature around it. You have a large rock plateau kind of a thing, and you have the river flowing by. There are like boating courses as well, which we can use on the way. And we are right now going towards that Iwatadami line where we can first see the stones and see the entire nature over there, and then we'll be taking up the boat ride as well. So that's the basic plan for this first location, and I'll give you the information about the other locations as well as we go in the vlog. So please do watch this vlog till the end. The place itself is really beautiful and it's really bustling with people. Everyone are wearing masks except for me because I'm right now shooting, but I think yeah, there's very less impact of COVID is something that I can see a lot of people, a lot of fruits, a lot of local vendors, feeling good. Yeah, that's the place here. Let's go to the rock. So beautiful. We are standing at the river now. This is the Nagatoro River, which is flowing below us, and it's really beautiful. You can see our boats, people really enjoying it, and it's an amazing destination. The sun is really hot and warm, pleasant. The wind is the breeze is just blowing on and giving a soothing effect of coolness. Warm and cold are perfectly balanced, and it's been an awesome day. The view over here is just mesmerizing and fantastic. Pankaj, क्या बोलता है भाऊ, कैसे चल रहा है इधर?
सो आज का यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि बहुत ही अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर लग रहा है मुझे। यहाँ पे सब लोग बोटिंग कर रहे हैं, इनको शायद से प्रॉपर गाइड भी इन्होंने किया है। प्रोटेक्शन यहाँ जापान में देखता हूँ मैं हमेशा कि यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्शन प्रॉपर फॉलो होता है, और इसीलिए मुझे जापान में हर लोकेशन में जाता हूँ तो यहाँ पे प्रोटेक्शन को हम ज़्यादा यहाँ पे जापानीज लोगों ने ध्यान दिया है। तो पूरा सब सेफ चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे, कोरोना भी उतना बढ़ नहीं रहा है। हम लोग जब से यहाँ पे आए हैं तो यहाँ पे उतना मास्क को इतना यूज़ नहीं कर रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग आउटसाइड एरिया में हैं। एक विलेज टाइप का एरिया है यहाँ पे, ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशंस है, बहुत सारे टूरिज्म के लोग आते हैं। वर्ल्ड वाइड लोग यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं मुझे, हर कंट्री के लोगों को मैंने अभी आज देखा है। बहुत ही अच्छा टूरिज्म को यहाँ बढ़ावा देते जा रहे हैं जापानीज लोग। आप भी आइए, देखिए इतनी अच्छी ब्यूटी देखने का आनंद हमारे साथ में गणेश जी के साथ में देखिए, और वो सामने।
So really beautiful, a really quaint little town which is beautiful. So I think आपको आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. You should definitely visit if you are in Tokyo, and if you if you are not into those urban jungle kind of an area or a urban jungle liking person, I think this is going to be an amazing getaway for you. A weekend getaway. It's just around 2 hours from Tokyo. So I think it's really beautiful, and it's really good one day outing for you and your family to enjoy. Now check out the place again. This is called as Iwata Tami Rocks, and this is really beautiful. The reason why they are called as Iwata Tami Rocks are because if you see from above, it looks like someone has laid down the tatami for you, which is just made out of rocks. So yeah, and for you guys who do not know what tatami is, because you are not in Japan, tatami is those straw mat floors which are very popular in Japan. So that is called as tatami. And if you look at from top, it looks, this entire rocks look like rock formations, look like someone has laid down the tatamis on this front. So that is why it is called as Iwata Tami Rocks, and it's really magnificent and beautiful. You can see people enjoying in their boats and in their kayaks. So that is something that is famous over here in the Nagatoro River. The Nagatoro River is flowing below. So yeah, that's something that you got to do here. have finished the Iwatadami. Really beautiful location. Do not come in over here expecting some kind of a miracle or anything. It's of nature. Please do enjoy the nature for itself, and please do not litter anything. Be a responsible citizen. Now we have finished Iwatadami. Really beautiful location. Going to the second recommendation by the tourist center, that is the Hodo-san shrine. That's Hodo-san. There's a hike as well, and there's a ropeway. We'll have to see which we are going to take, either the ropeway or the hike, not sure. That's the next plan which we are going towards. Come, let's check out how Hodo-san is.